How to set up paper trading in TradingView step-by-step guide for beginners in this video. I am going to show you how to set up paper trading in TradingView from start to finish. If you're a beginner and want to practice trading without risking real money, this tutorial will help you get started in just a few minutes. First, open TradingView and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create a free account using your email address or another available sign-in method. Once you're logged in, open any chart by selecting the market you want to practice on. TradingView supports paper trading for many asset classes, including US stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and futures. Some markets may have restrictions based on exchange policies. Now click the Trade button near the top right of the chart or open the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. In the list of available brokers, select Paper Trading and click Connect. Your paper trading account will be created instantly with virtual funds, and you'll be ready to start practicing. Before placing your first trade, it's a good idea to review your account settings. Click the Settings or gear icon next to your paper trading account. From here, you can customize options such as your account currency, leverage, and other trading preferences. If you want to change your starting balance later, you can reset your paper trading account and choose a new virtual balance. Now let's place your first trade. Click the Buy button if you expect the price to rise, or click the Sell button if you think the price will fall. Choose the order type that fits your strategy. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. A limit order executes only when the market reaches your chosen price. A stop order becomes active after the market reaches a specific trigger price. Enter the quantity you want to trade, then set your stop loss and take profit levels if needed. Review all the details carefully before clicking Buy or Sell to place the trade. After your order is executed, you can monitor your trades in the Positions tab, check pending orders in the Orders tab, and review completed trades in the History and Account History sections of the trading panel. These tools help you track your performance and improve your trading skills over time. Here's a pro tip: treat your paper trading account exactly like a real trading account. Use realistic position sizes, follow proper risk management, and keep a trading journal. The habits you build during paper trading can make a significant difference when you eventually trade with real money. And that's how you can set up paper trading in TradingView. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.